Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can change Pinterest profile picture. So to begin with, open your Pinterest profile, and in here you can change your profile picture by tapping Edit, then go for the Update Profile Picture option, and choose what picture you would like to set as your avatar from your camera roll. Then crop it to your liking. Wait for the changes to take effect. And here you should have it. For some reason it haven't been uploaded. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.